It's the strange thing, as I've got older, I've started to realise that the people in any system makes it work. You can do as much as you want about technology, as much as you want to do about science, but unless the people have got their act together, unless those interactions are happening, it just goes nowhere.
I think the Earth observation community is very important to me. I can always hear a lot of stories and ideas from different people.
I see it as a community that is able to do a lot to help improve the decisions we make to better our environment, particularly around some of the environmental, social and governance issues that are coming up increasingly around climate risk.
I'm a big fan of collaboration, not competition. So the more people we have working together towards a common goal, I think the faster we're going to get there. And so that's why community is important to me.
The Earth observation community is critical because using data that's collected from satellites, you need people to work together in different areas. So the people that build and launch and operate the satellites, the people that process the digital information, the scientists and the people who are on the land or in the water all the time who understand those. All of those groups need to work together, and you need a community to do that shares information and builds things together. Earth observation is probably one of the best examples of global collaboration in science and industry.